input function in Python allows us to take user input. That input can be username, age, or anything uh, we want to ask from user. So if we take an example, if we want to take username, so inside that input function we will pass a message which we want to show to user. So in our case uh, we will show enter your name. So this will print a message enter your name and wait until user enters something. So once user enters something, so we will save that input from user in a variable called name, and now we can do anything with that name. uh, so we will just simply print it out as print name. So once we test it, it's asking for enter your name, so it's showing us this message, and after this it's waiting for user input. So if we enter our name Shad, so it's printing Shad back to us. So we can also add any text with that variable, that as your name is name. So by using plus operator we can join name with message we want to show with name. So as type of name is also a string, so we can simply join our message with name by using plus operator. Now if we test it, so it's asking for name, so entering name, it's giving message your name is Shad. So that's it, how we can take user input by using Python input function.